Open the Kilimall app. Navigate through the group buy icon. Once that is done, a number of products or items will appear on your screen. Choose an item or product of your choice. Once that is done, click on Group Buy. Remember to select your pickup point. From there, you will receive a payment method, of which you will key in your number and proceed to pay. Once you've completed your payment method for the item, you will receive a shareable link, of which you can send the link to a number of participants required. Once the invited participants complete the payment before time elapses for the specific period, your group order will be confirmed. We guarantee refunds of the initial amount if the group buy deal is unsuccessful.